Roger, paano nililip practice?
Sige, per second lang hapon na.
Hindi na. Kailangan mo kung mas 20 na bigla ako na
50, 20. Okay, so first leg good. Then same lang hapon, meditation, inhale sa nose, stomach 4, exhale sa nose, stomach 5. Then straight lang ang likod, shoulders away from the ears. Then close your eyes and start to bring your awareness to your breath. Okay, notice your inhale and your exhale. Okay, then slowly inhale to your nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Then exhale to your nose for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then again, inhale and continue breathing, breathing, and breathe out to our release. Okay, once you're done, go back to your normal breathing and bring your hands to your heart box together and leave your eyes open. Good morning. Good morning, Mom. Okay, so hands aside. Warm up sa
Ulit bang ulit?
Nalugay lang ang tawag 10 minutos. Okay, inhale, circle your arms. Okay, then look up. Ano sa kasangit? Look up para ma-stretch ang neck and try to extend your fingers and arms to feel the stretch of your shoulders. Then exhale, bring your hands down to your side, lower your head, chin to your chest. Again, inhale, arms up. Okay, from here, bring your hands down, front of your mat, and slowly move your hands forward, go down to your forward fold. Fold back.
Ano dyan kayo?
Okay, then inhale forward and slowly come up. Again, bring your hands down to your side. Inhale, circle your arms and palms together. Then exhale, bring your right hand down, other side. Side bend to your right side to our side stretch. Okay, then try to extend the arms. And if you want a deeper stretch, then bring your elbows down sa mat. Then chest forward, roll down your back, and roll forward or roll up. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1. Inhale back to center, left hand first, other side, left hand down, side bend sa left side. Then again, hold for 5 breaths. Okay, then inhale, arms up. Okay, from here, one more time. Again, right hand down, side bend to your right side. Then again, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back to center. Other side, left hand down, side bend. Again, hold for 5. Okay, inhale back to center. Okay, from here, bring your left hand to your right knee, right hand at the back, other side, right, straight. Then twist to your right side. Okay, then chest forward, come look to your right, and look to the back. Okay, then inhale forward, and from here, now push your arms, bend your elbow, and then raise your head all the way to your chest, and then look up or look to the ceiling. Try to open your chest or expand your chest. And then hold for 3 minutes. Okay, then inhale back to your neutral spine. slowly come up. Okay, other side is that left hand at the back, right arms up. And as you exhale, bring your right hips down first. Then hips up, chest up. Extend your arms all the way to the back for 5 minutes. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, bring your hips down. Okay, the other side, extend your left leg, bend your right. Again, inhale, circle your arms up. Exhale, go down to your full head down. Okay, feel the stretch of your hamstrings at the back for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. Okay, from here, right hand at the back. Inhale, then knees up, easy. Again, extend your arms, chest up, and try to push your knees forward. Okay, all the way from 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, exhale, bring your hips down. Okay, from here, soles and then feet together. Trace your fingers, grab your toes. Okay, then inhale, look forward, chest forward. Okay, then try to bring your knees down sa mat or make sure siya na inner thigh. Then as you exhale, go down to your full head down. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then inhale, slowly come up. Okay, from here, bring your hands behind you. Ang fingers sa tabi. Bend your knees. Feet as wide as your hips. Then as you exhale, slowly lift your hips up and chest up. Then again, try to rotate your shoulder and squeeze your glutes and half your belly in. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Bring your hips down. Okay, from here, push your legs. Bring your hands down up your mat, then come up to your feet. Okay, we're going to come around some and elbows, taxi toes. Squeeze your fingers, pressing down into your shoulders and knees as wide as your hips. Okay, look forward, inhale, drop your belly down, chest up, look up to your crown. Then exhale, roll back, half belly, chin to your chest, your temples, down, down. Inhale, drop your belly to your crown, look forward, chest up, look down. Then exhale, half your belly, chin to your chest. Okay, one more round, inhale, drop your belly to your crown. Then exhale, round your back to your temples, chin to your chest. Okay, then inhale back to your neutral spine, keyboard. Okay, para sa keyboard ka, slowly walk your hands forward and bring your chest down to your back to pose. Okay, try to push your chest down sa mat para ma-open ang your shoulder. You can push your forehead down or chin down, chin down sa mat. Okay, stay there for 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, slide your chest forward and bring your belly down sa mat. Okay, untap your toes. Then from here, as you inhale, straighten your arms and chest up. Okay, then try to one. Bring your belly down sa mat or arch ang foot. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then bring your chest down. Okay, from here, bring your right hand to your chest. Side your chest. Then extend the left arm to the left side. Bend your right knee. Inhale. Then as you exhale, push your right knee go to your left. Then look to your right side. You relax the head and then head down. Okay, stay here for 5 minutes. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Away from that pose. Grab ang right hand in your side your right hand. Then grab your right knee. Okay, then inhale, try to extend your right leg up. Extend that knee. Okay, hold, extend up. Okay, hold 5. Then you extend 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Again, belly down, chest down sa mat. Okay, other side na side. Left hand side yung chest, extend your right arms. Bend your left knee. Inhale, then cross your left leg over your right leg and move to your left side. Okay, and then hold for 5 minutes. Huwag ako sasabihin ako maglawa. Okay, the other side. grab your left leg close sa inyong left na fist finger. Okay, then try to straighten your left leg up. Then again, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then release again, belly down, chest down sa mat. Okay, from here, bring your hands beside your chest. Get your elbow in, elbow straightening up. Then look forward, inhale, straightens the arms, chest up, your upward dog. Okay, then try to rotate ang shoulder towards sa likod, towards your back, shoulders away from the ears. Open your chest. Okay, stay here for 5, 4, shoulders away from the ears. Sige, relax lang yung shoulder. 3, 2, 1. Then hips back. Push your hips back. Hips sa likod. Then release the hips back. Itak ang toes. Then hips up. Go to your downward dog. Okay, you can paddle your feet. So relax your hips side to side. I-move naman yung feet forward. Tiil lang, tiil. Ayun lang ang nakatiil lang. Sige ba, sige. Okay, sa likod. Okay, then chest down. Anak sa likod yun. I-push with ang chest down or straight ang likod. Okay, then from your downward dog, open your feet as wide as your hand. Chest down, you have buragian lagi ng puto. Okay, then from that pose, grab your right ankle sa inyong left na hand. Grab ang right ankle sa left na left, as ang left. Okay, then chest forward, look to your right side. Push the power na kayo. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release.
Okay, now na siya.
Oh, other side na side. Grab your left ankle sa inyong right na hand. Again, chest down good. Okay, hold 5. And try not to bend your knees. 3. Chest forward. Go to your left. 2. 1. Okay, release. Then bring your feet together. Balik sa inyong downward dog. Knees up. Feet together. Then look forward. Slowly walk your feet forward. Front and your mat. Come up to your half forward. Both hands to your shin. Chest forward, no forward from the straight lang yung good. Then exhale to your fold, head down. Head down, iniwan ang elbows with your hands. Then you can see your body side to side. And the right leg go bend and knees, go side and hamstrings. Head down, up. Or just let your head down heavily. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1. Then back to center. Release ang kamot. And then you can circle your arms up there, standing pose. Palms together, then exhale, hands to your heart. Okay, then again, hands to your side, inhale, circle. Okay, from here, we grab ang left na rest, and your right hand, cross your right leg over your left. Okay, then inhale, lengthen first, extend, then side bend to your right side or side stretch. Irahag with ang left na hand towards your right na stretch ang left na shoulder. Okay, hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back to center, feet together, other side is up, grab and see right to rest. Left, cross your left leg over your right, inhale lengthen, exhale side bend to your left side. Safety hapon, biraha ang inyong right na tawon. Okay, for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back to center, feet together. Okay, this time interlace fingers. Extend sa inyong index finger, extend, lengthen here. Squeeze ang glutes. Then try to push your hips forward, chest forward, lean back. Extend the arms and try not to bend your elbow. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up left leg. Then exhale, go down to your fold, head down. Look at your knees, rather than breathing towards the mat. Inhale to your halfway, look forward, hands to your shin. Then exhale, hands down. Step your feet to the mat or go to your lap, feet to the mat. Tap and toes, heels up. Lean forward kamay, hug ang belly, squeeze ang glutes, engage ang legs, ihag ang belly, parallel, drop ang hips. Then i-round ang likod. Ayaw i-drop ang shoulder, i-round shoulder. Napakalian din lang. Okay, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, hips up. Siguro siya push na. Anak. Okay, slowly bring your knees down, chest down. Sangat, hands again, hands beside your chest. Take your elbow in. Then inhale, straighten your arms, chest up to your upward roll. Again, shoulders away from the ears. Take the shoulders away towards your back. You open ang chest. Then again, tap your toes, hips up, back to your downward dog. Okay, from your downward dog, right leg up. Try to extend your legs. As high as you can. You open good. With the right point of toes. So when you start, bend your right knee, open your right inner thigh. Knees pointing up. Okay, then try to bring your heels. Knees pointing up, that knee is aside. Downward ka. Like, hands downward. Then out sa likod. Okay, sige. Extend ang right leg. Bend. That's it. Then open. Okay, stay for 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, bring your right knee to your chest. Lean forward. Right knee to your chest. Half bend in the upward. Okay, then inhale again. Back to your free leg. Extend as the legs. Straighten as the legs. Okay, then from that pose, bring your right foot forward. Outer side sa inyong mat or pinky side sa inyong right hand. Okay, sige. Then, lower down sa left knee. Untap sa left na toes. Okay, then look forward. Inhale, arms up to your lunge. Yan that. Now, then push out. Okay, and from that pose, bring your left hand down, right hand sa your right knee. Right knee, okay. Okay, then try to open your right hand to your right side and hips down, chest forward and look up or look to your right side. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then release, hands down. Okay, from that pose, hips back. Anak hips back. Bend. Anak nyo. So, yan lang. Then straight ang right na leg, naka-knees down gihapon. Okay, pag straight na, i-flex ang toes, then go down to your fold. Para ma-stretch ang atong hamstrings. Okay, hold 5. I-hold naman yung buwan dito. Kapila naman. I-hold naman yung hips na ito. Kapila naman. Yung tail. Backward. Okay, then inhale forward. Okay, again, bend up sa right knee. Then extend the right arms. Huwag ka na i-move yung backward. Okay, from that pose, bend up sa left knee. Round your left elbow sa your right arm. Kung mag-stretch ang atong mga inner thigh. Grabe power na rin si Lalay no? Oh, nagtinong-tinong. Okay, then release. Diba? Itaak ang toes, right foot sa likod, back sa downward. Dili na sila na sa uno. Nagtakli siya sa shoulder. Pero maka-amaze mo. Makakapit na lang ng buwan na tayo. Okay, the other side, left leg up. Winston na sunod. Hindi sila tayo mo is nakuha na picture. Isa ang left. Then mo sa left knee, open your left inner thigh and knees lifting up, not sa inyong side. Okay, try to. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, bring your left knee to your chest. Lean forward, hand, belly, 3 breaths. Again, back to your really good left leg up, straight as the heel. Okay, then inhale first. Then exhale, bring your left foot forward again. Pinky side of your left foot, lower down to right knee, and tap your right toes. Inhale, rise up. Lower down to right knee, then tap your right toes. Arms up to your lunge. Okay, from here, right hand down, left hand sa inyong left knee. elbows down, or you can walk your hands forward. Okay, hold for 5 minutes. Okay, then inhale look forward. Again, bend up sa left knee, bend the foot. Right hand down, extend up sa left arm. Again, hips down, elbow. Okay, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then bend up sa right knee, grab your right ankle sa inyong left na hand. Bend your right knee, grab your right ankle, grab the right ankle sa inyong left hand. Again, hips down. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Hands tap sa mat. Itak ang right and nose. Knees up. Left foot to the back. Balik sa downward. Again, you can follow your feet or you can zero from side to side. And stay for 5 breaths. Okay, then look forward. Again, walk your feet or stick your feet towards the front halfway. Exhale to your full head down. Okay, this time, i-grab mo si ankles sa inyong kamot, or you can hug ankles. Or you can hug your legs, or you can bring your forehead closer sa inyong shin. Kung hindi ka rin maabot, i-micro-bend ang knees. Pwede na siya i-micro-bend. Micro-bend, then kung nakakapta na ang ankles, i-rahin na siya straight. Taman sa pagpapasa lang. Okay, hold 5. Dapat ang crown sa head na napuwet sa focus. Okay, then first, straighten the arms. Look forward. Then slowly come up, circle your arms up. Palms together. Then exhale your hands to your heart. Okay, hands aside and then you can circle. Interlace your fingers, palms facing up, right wrist and then heels up, exhale. Squeeze the elbows in glutes. Pag-aayaan nila or hug your belly para mga balance. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heels down. Go down to your fold. Forward fold. Inhale to your halfway. Hands to your shin. Then exhale, hands down. And from here, left foot to the back. Tap ankles. Bend your right knee. Come up to your high lunge. Okay, then hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Twist to your right side. Open your arms. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back to center, arms up. Okay, from here, back to the arms. Diba, chest forward for 3 breaths. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Inhale forward, again, arms up. Then from here, bring your hands down sa mat. Straighten your right leg. I straighten ang mga legs. Then exhale, go down to your full head down. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then inhale, look forward, and then bend your right knee. Okay, from here, extend your right leg to your left side. Right hand down, left hand. Folded triangle pose. So we hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kicks down. Nakaisulit ang mga legs. Inhale, arms up. And forward fold sa right hand. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, back to center. Other side, fold to your left side. Okay, for 5 minutes. Okay, then inhale, slowly come up, arms up. Okay, from here, bring your right hand sa likod. Then hips up. Then try to touch your toes to the mat. Extend the arms. Okay, hold here for 5 minutes and straighten ang mga legs. Okay, then exhale, bring your hips down. Again, arms up, bending first. Then exhale, bring your hands down, and sa inyong thigh. Go down to your forehead. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up, arms up. And again, bring your hands down, front sa inyong mat. Tap sa left toes. Right foot sa likod back na your downward dog. Okay, the other side, left foot forward. Left foot forward, bend sa left knee, tap your right toes. Sa left knee. Ay, left knee. Left foot forward, bend sa left knee, tap ang right toes, right up right. Other side, mga eye touch. Mga heels up and right. Okay, hold for 5 rests. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Increase na po sa left side. Open si arm sa left side. Okay, you can gaze to your left or look to the left. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward, extend the arms aside. Then come to the push your arms, open your chest, lean back for 3 breaths. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Then inhale, look forward. Okay, from here, bring your hands down sa mat. Straight na po ang left na legs. Naka-straight na po ang legs. Okay, then exhale, go down to your fold head down. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then inhale, look forward and bend your left knee from the other side. Extend your left knee to your right side, left hand down, right arms up, fold in triangle pose. Again, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hips down the set. Open sa legs. Okay, from here, right hand sa inyong left na, thigh. Left arms up. Then side bend to your right side. Okay, na ito din maakot ang toes. Importante na wala na round ang liver. Okay, hold 5. Hands overhead. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back to center. Left hand to your right thigh, side bend. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, inhale back to center, arms up. Other side na sa left hand sa likod, right arms up and knees up. Okay, then again, try to touch your toes sa mat. Then try to straighten the legs or knees. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your hips down. Again, open sa legs in a triangle. Arms up. Then bring your hands down. Go down to your foot. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. And again, bring your hands down. Front sa iyong mat. Tap your right toes. Left foot to the back. Back to your downward facing. Okay, then from your downward dog, slowly lower your feet forward. Again, come up to your half forward fold, hands to your shin. Then exhale to your fold head down. Inhale, right side standing, circle your arms up. Again, bring your palms together. Then exhale, hands to your heart. Use your hands aside. Again, bend, magbuan tayo ng chair. So feet together, bend your knees to your chair. Sakto ni Gani, swipe na to ang akong fingertips sa mat. Dali mo maabot, dali mo mauna siya sa support. Pero kung sakit-sakit sa tuhod, so pwede rin yun doon. Okay, then tanaw, naka-heels down. Heels down. Okay, then hug your belly, then tanawa sa ubos, kumakita ng toes, dili masaligdan sa inyong tuhod. Okay, then from that pose, figure 4, right up to your left thigh. Hands to your heart, belly in, chest forward. You try to find your balance for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Become your straighten your legs. Lean forward, extend your right leg. Dapat ang mo sa line sa inyong knees, pati ang shoulder. Kung makabalance na, extend your arms forward to your 1, 3, 4 reps. Okay, 3, 2, 1. From here, bring your right foot down. Again, back to your high touch arms. Bend sa left knee. Then look forward. Okay, from here, bring your right knees down. Open your arms to your warrior. Gaze to the front. Palms facing down. And then hug your belly, elbow to knee. Okay, then from here, bend and straighten your left leg. Hands to your heart. Bend your right knees. And dasana. So bring your hips to your right heels. Again, bend sa left knee, open your arms to your warrior two. Okay, from here, bring your hands down, standing up. Bring your hands down sa mat, and extend your right arm to the back. If you can find your balance, you can extend your right arms up to your back. Then again, hold for 5 breaths. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From that pose, bring your right hand down first, lower down the right foot. Again, balance and you warrior two. With right hand down, left arms up, reverse your warrior for 5 breaths. Then you have to sit down and knee. You try to straighten your right leg. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back to center open. Okay, from here, straighten the left legs. Hips back first. You can bring your left hand down on your shin, right arm up to your triangle. Then again, chest forward, and then knees forward, or look to your right fingers. Okay, then inhale first, then exhale, revolve. Bring your right hand down, left arm up. Naka-straight hapon ang buha ka, inhale, triangle. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down sa mat. I-bend sa left knee, tuck ang right toes, hug your belly in. Lean forward, extend your arms forward to your runner stance, hands in line with ears. Pagkahiyan yun ang tiyan. Okay, hold for 5. Hands in line with ears. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, hands down. Mag-side plank ta. So turn your body to your right side. Left foot on top sa inyong right na foot. Right hand down, left arms up. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, hands down. Go to your plank. Lean forward. Knees down, chest down. Inhale, straighten your arms, chest up to your upward or low crown. Tap your toes. Hips up to your downward dog. Sila na tayo. May consent lang. Okay, other side up. Look forward. Walk your feet or slip your feet towards the front. Hands to your chin, chest forward, look forward, or straight up figure. Then exhale to your phone, head down. You can grab your ankles or bring your hands down sa mat. Then inhale, come up back to your chair pose. Bend the knees, chair pose pa rin. Same lang ihapon, hug your belly. Hands in line with ears. Okay, then figure 4, other side, left ankle to your right thigh. Hands to your heart. Belly down ihapon. Hands to your heart. Okay, hold. Try to find your balance. If your hips down, 3, 2, 1. In from here, straighten the right leg. Extend the left leg sa likod. Lean forward. Then extend the arms to your warrior 3. See, we have dapat ang ankles in line sa inyong hips, sa inyong shoulder. Okay, then from that pose, bring your left foot down. Nakatak ang toes. Come up to your high latch. Heels up. Okay, from here, bring your left heels down sa mat. Open your arms to your warrior to gaze sa front or to your right fingers. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, straighten your right leg. Hands to your heart. Skandasana sa left side. So bring your hips down to your left knee heels. Left elbow, inner side of your left thigh. Palms to your heart. Then chest forward. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, straighten your legs. Okay, bend your right knee, open your arms, body sa warrior 2. Engage sa front. Okay, from here, bring your hands down sa mat first. Then extend your left leg to the back. Then if you can find your balance, you can extend your left arms up. Huwag ka na move down kung maliko or makabalance. O pwede na sa mutanang sa taas. Then hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, bring your left hand down first, lower down sa left foot. Bend your right knee, body sa warrior 2. Then bring your left hand down, right arms up, reverse. Bend the elbows to right knee. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, open. Straighten to right the leg. Okay, this time hands to your hips, right toes in. Okay, then inhale, open your arms to your side. Then exhale, bring your hands behind you, encourage your fingers. Rotate your shoulder, straighten your arms. Then exhale, go down to your forehead down. Then hands away from your back. We hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then inhale, slowly come up all the way up. Then again, open your arms. Then right toes out or facing to the front. Hips back. You can bring your right hand down onto your shin, left arm up to your triangle. Your chest forward, again you can look forward or gaze to your left fingers and focus on your head. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Revolve. Bring your left hand down, right arms up. Naka-straight bihapon ang luha ka, tingin ka triangle. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from here, bend. Bring your right hand down, bend your right knee. Itak ang left toes. Hug your belly in. Extend the arms forward. Do your runner's lunge. Okay, all 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale, hands down. Side thumbs sa left side. So bring your right foot upside your left foot. And turn your body to your left. Left hand down, right arms up for 5 breaths. Pagkahian nyo ng piyan para makakuan. Hindi mo siya pag-inutis. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, right hand down, back to your plank. Lean forward first. Then bring your knees down, chest down to the mat. Again, hands inside your chest. Keep your elbow in. Inhale, straighten your arms, chest up. Again, shoulders away from the ears, open your chest. Tap your toes, knees up, back to your downward dog. Okay, from the downward dog, bend your elbow to your dolphin pose. Next elbow. Okay, lengthen your back and try to straighten your legs. Or if you want a deeper stretch, you can walk your feet closer sa inyong chest. You can bring your heels down sa hips at your elbow. Okay, hold here for 5 and don't move your back. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from that pose, walk your feet towards sa likod. Go to your forearm, flat. Walk your feet towards your hips down. Then again, ihagap mo sa belly, contract ang back, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Hips down, belly down sa back. Okay, from that pose, extend mo si arms forward. Then look forward, inhale, chest up, extend the arms up. Then feet up, legs up. So you low cross your hips. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Okay, next pose, bring your hands behind you. Release naman sa fingers, and rotate your shoulder, open your chest, hands away from your back. Inhale again, chest up, then feet up na side. Hold here for 3 breaths. Then try to straighten the legs. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1, then release. Okay, last. This time, you bend the knees and grab your ankles with your hands. Both foot snap. Okay, look forward. Inhale, chest up. Then try to push your feet away from your back para maisa ang chest. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Okay, then from that pose, you can rest in an position or you can rest in your child's pose. release chest down. Press in your child's toes. Pwede mo yun. Oh, pwede mo.
Kaya ako naman.
Okay, slowly come up, back to your knee, pull up. Okay, from your knee, pull up, right foot forward, again on the side of your mat. Then right foot forward, back up, left the toes, knees away from the mat, and lower down your elbows to your knees. Okay, then you hold for 5 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then lower down your left knee and back up toes, straighten skills. Okay, from here, we put your right foot to your left side and bring your knees down. Sama, pinky toes. Hands stop sa inyong mat, and try to straight side and press forward. Okay, lift your arms. Pwede na siya i-extend na, pwede na siya. Kung mapakuan mo, pwede na mag-relax. Pwede na po rin sa mas open. Okay, then extend your arms. Pwede na siya yung mag-anak, pwede na ka-anak. Lupod lang. Isa. And straight arm lang ang chest forward. Okay, then hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then go down to your stage. Forward, forward. Running, okay. Okay, then here, slowing down up. Okay, from here, mag-one lang at umarmig. So, i-bend si right left na knee. You can grab sa inyong left na hand or kung mag-clip sa inyong left na elbow, pwede na rin siya. Extend si right na arms. Right hand sa elbow din ba? Ang tangan ng klasa. Okay, then hold for 5 minutes. Okay, 5. I think pwede siya mag-concentrate. Isa. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Then extend na po sa left nga, tiil sa tubangan. Left hand, tiil na is no, so extend sa left. Again, so sa left, exercise sa inyong right hand, tayo, yung circle arms. Then roll back to your 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then inhale, slowly come up. The other side, descend. Bend sa left knee, hands down. This right descend. Other side na. This side. Right to the elbows down sa okay, then again, hold for 5 breaths. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down the right knee. Attack the right nose. Straighten the arms. Straight up. Then wiggle your left foot to your right side. Wiggle the left foot to your right side and then your knees down. Pigeon pose. Ako sa tabi. Ako ba sa isa hips. Okay. Then, go forward. Dapat ang inyong hips o ang inyong chest naka-facing forward. Straighten the arms. Kung ma-extend the arms, okay, right. Not but support your hands down. Okay, then hold here for 5 minutes. Okay, then go down to your forward fold. Steady pigeon. Okay, stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up. Extend those right legs as well. Then, arms up, hold down the back. Okay, hold here for 5. Sorry, kayo wala ko nita. Back sa dito. Sorry. Pag-ano ka mo nito? Yan, wala. Kalimun ko. Sorry. Sige, anak. Kalimun. Oh, sige. Okay, then hold for 5 minutes. Okay, then release na. So, mga lang to, extend sa right leg sa tubangan. Then sa left knee. Legs sa right na close. Inhale, circle your arms up, left leg first. Then, fall from your back, fall from your face. Lean forward ka na isa ka. Okay, hold 5. Legs up close. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then back to center. Okay, from here, soles and the feet together. Walk ang legs sa one count para release ang feet please out of each and okay, back to center. And from here, open ang legs. Sa gilid naman siya one. Legs down and close. Diligin arms up. Okay, then from here, grab the outer side of your right foot sa inyong left na hand. Ano yung left? Ang right ang long. Ang right ang knee. Outer side. Extend sa right hand sa likod. Chest forward. Then exhale, bring your forehead down to your knee. Hands down na, hands down sa hand. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up, back to center. The other side to side. Grab the other side of your left foot sa inyong right na hand. Left hand at the back. Inhale. Hold, exhale. Then hold for 5 minutes. Head down. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up, arms up. Okay, from here again, bring your hands down sa hands. Then from here, slowly roll your hands forward, roll down. Okay, slowly roll back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then inhale, slowly come up. Then, inhale together. You can hold your legs up and down. Release inhalation, up and down. Side by side, release inhalation, up and legs. Okay, from here, bend your knees, grab your feet close. Then lean back the line, hug your belly in. Extend. And try to find balance. Kung mag-balance, balance, ano na nakala sa center, try to open. Hindi ko na.
Lumay na tayo sa ako.
Ako rin count sa pagkain mo sa lima-lima. Huwag ka makalima, pwede ng rest.
Lima na mag-operate kami nga nga.
Feedback kamay, extend si arms. Ayaw hindi ha, 10 breaths. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay na. 9, 10, okay, okay. Iba ito mag-sinamot sa akin.
Di mo ka-operate siya.
Okay, so last the fold, three together. Next one pose. Inhale, circle your arms up. Then say you have to lean forward sa hold. Release ang hold. Forward. Okay, then hold for 5 breaths. Okay, then inhale, slowly come up, arms up. Okay, from here, bring your hands and your fingers out. Point ang toes. Rotate ang shoulder. And as you exhale, try to open your chest. Then again, look up or you look to the ceiling for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then inhale, look forward. Now from here, cross your right leg over your left. Tap your right knee with your left hand, right hand side. Inhale, chest forward, then twist to your right side. And then hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, back to center. The other side, straighten your right leg, close the leg over your right. Inhale, then twist to your left side. Again, hold for 5 minutes. Okay, back to center. Okay, this time, straighten your legs. Then lay down sa mat. Yes. Mag-reach lang tama. So bend your knees, your reach was kailangan. Ang feet as wide sa atong hips. Try to reach your heels and your fingertips. Okay, then look forward. Then as you inhale, hips up and chest up to your bridge pose. If you want to open your shoulder, you can interlace your fingers like that. Okay, then straighten the arms, chest forward or up. Okay, then inhale first. Then as you exhale, right leg up. Extend your right leg up. Right leg up. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1, release. Right foot down, other side, left leg up, inhale. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3. Okay, down. May picture over. Okay, then hug your knees to your chest. Okay, hug your knees to your chest now. Then head up, bring your forehead closer to your knees, formation and back a little bit. Okay, then head down, just bend your knees. Hug your knees lang lang. Then roll your body side to side to massage upper back. Okay, back to center. Just bend your knees, feet down. Then open your arms and leave it like a zero knuckles. Okay, then inhale first. Exhale, lower down your knees to your right side. And look to your left side to your spine. Okay, hold 5 minutes. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, back to center. The other side in the side. Lower down your knees to your left. And look to your right side spine. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, back to center. Okay, this time straighten your legs, feet as wide as you can. Then you can bring your hands on the side of your side. You can extend your arms overhead. Close your eyes. Rest in your final Okay, slowly go back to your awareness. Wiggle your toes, fingers, and overhead side to side. Slowly and gently. Bring your feet together. Extend your arms up. And give yourself a nice stretch. And slowly roll to your right side. Stay for a moment, guys. When you're ready, slowly come up to your seat. And again, cross our legs. We're going to do a meditation before we end our practice. So again, bring your hands down on your knees. Spreading your back shoulders away from the ears. Again, close your eyes and start moving up by the same. Notice where you inhale, where you exhale. Okay, and deep breathe in to your nose. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale to your mouth. 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale. Hold your breath. And exhale to your mouth. Inhale. Hold. And deep release. Okay, go back to your normal breathing. And again, bring your hands to your heart. Palms together, close your eyes and bow your head. And let's say some affirmation. I open my heart to love and connection. It is bow together and we the other. Namaste. Thank you very much.